Ladies and gentlemen, Mbulavinaka and warm greetings to you all. Gentlemen, ladies of the press, gentlemen of the press, and our director NEC. It's my privilege today to all of you to present you with your pre-departure orientation training certificates and to wish you well in your new work environment overseas. Those of you that are going to Australia and those of you that are going down to Canterbury, to Christchurch. 8 of you, the 8 carpenters, the 8 of you will be the second group of Fijian carpenters traveling to work in Christchurch. You are the second group. You will be going there to assist our friends from New Zealand to rebuild the city of Christchurch that was devastated in the earthquake of 2011. The remaining 3 workers, the 3 gentlemen on my right here, you are returning to Australia as seasonal workers. And this is what I want to highlight to also the press to note that these workers have been so good, that the Fijian product has been so good that their employer has requested that you return. That is because you have set a good benchmark of your performance. Your performance has been good. You are great ambassadors for Fiji. To the carpenters, to the rest of you, what I want to tell you is to make Fiji proud, just as the first team has done. The first team has been commended for their good work ethics and dedication by their employers, trade staff and ADACO, the Pacific Trust Canterbury and the Ministry of Business, Innovation and Employment, New Zealand. In just 3 weeks of work, 2 of your fellow workers in New Zealand were earmarked for foreman positions. I encourage you to reach high, and with the right attitude you can supersede our Kiwi friends. You beat them in rugby, make sure you beat them in carpentry too. Likewise, to those of you returning to Australia, continue to make Fiji proud. You are part of Fiji's pilot project for seasonal work to Australia. Your good attitude, performance, and high productivity has prompted tree minders to ask for your return. The government is proud of you. We are very proud of you as individuals and the positive image you have given our country. Last year was a learning season for you. You now return with the skills you have mastered and with the potential of returning a 3rd time to lead a team from Fiji. You all have the potential to lead. So make this as an objective as you continue to improve the welfare of your families and communities. You are all Fiji ambassadors to Australia, to New Zealand, all of you. And I trust that you will maintain your focus to work hard and smart, learn as much as you can, and save money for you and your family here in Fiji. Your goal is for self-improvement, development of your families and communities, and not to be the reason for saving money. Don't forget this. Don't forget where you are going. Don't get sidetracked by the people that you meet. I'm thankful that during your pre-departure orientation training, you have covered a lot of different areas to assist you to prepare for the new environment. Some of the topics covered were the terms and conditions of employment, the overview of the company you'll be working for, information about working in Australia or New Zealand, your visa conditions, financial literacy, relationships, communication, and commitment to work. Your employers are giving you this opportunity, and this is your only chance to impress your employer. So make sure you impress them. Please maintain the trust with your employer, work as a team, be loyal, and ask questions when you don't understand something. Smart people ask questions. You must not run away. I must remind you of that. Especially to those of you that are going to Australia. We have had a good relationship with the employers going to New Zealand. But for those of you going to Australia, for those of you going to Australia, don't run away. I know you won't run away because they are come back after you. Right? And for all of you, do not run away. Remain focused on your purpose and work within your visa conditions. Remember that under your visa terms and conditions, you are not allowed to leave and join another employer. You will have people that come to talk to you. Don't listen to them. Because if you do the wrong thing, you will shut the door for others. do kuni songto sotna katum na kanto ni taka binisla estrella ana ba mas ni matentu Your visa is only approved for you to work for the approved employer. Once again, work as a team, keep the team spirit burning, just as our Flying Fijian Sevens demonstrated in the field of rugby by winning gold in Rio. You are no different for them. We look to you to win gold too for the workers of this country. I trust you will all be returning workers and lead other workers from this country to go to those countries. If you go, you work well, you come back, they appoint you as leaders, you open up more opportunities for our people. I encourage you to stay in contact with your family and friends and the NEC team here in Fiji. With these few words, I wish you the very best, a safe journey, and enjoy your work. And I will now present to you your certificates. Vinawalevu, Dhanyabad, and God bless you all. May Australia.
Kameli.
Family.
Isimeli.
Ismail. Now Ismail. Come out to
Rupeni.
Rupeni.
Rupeni Makumbo.
Awale Rupeni. Kalau macam ni malu-malu.
Aseli.
Aseli. Mana Aseli?
Aquila.
Pila.
Nemani.
Mani. Lewu.
Samuela.
Samu.
Zephaniah.
Awale Sera.
Bilkasi.
Tati.
Kalelatu.